Hi! The inflation is high and the financial burden on people with low and middle incomes in particular is increasing. There are three recent updates on the taxes which ensure that millions of employees will have a higher netto in their account from July. For the people who are not aware of me, myself Balaji, I make videos all about Germany. If you haven't subscribed, take a moment to subscribe this channel to get regular updates all about Germany. If you're ready, come let's get started. Before going into the topic, the three updates which I am going to share would help you to save at least a minimum of 25 euros per month or even still more. If you want to get more benefits from this 25 euros, one can also start investing in a regular savings plan. I used to invest it with help of the Scalable Capital, and if you also want to invest like me, open a free trading account using the link given below. Or if you don't know how to open an account, check out our blog and other detailed video on this topic. Now let's get into the real updates. First update is basic allowance getting increased. Grundfreibetrag, which is called as basic tax-free allowance in English, and this is getting increased currently from 9,984 euros to 10,347 euros. This means that anyone who earns less than this amount per year does not pay any tax at all. The tax authorities will deduct less wage tax from the gross salary. Due to this increase, employees will be receiving little higher netto in their account. Tax experts have analyzed how big this relief is going to have an impact on our income. An employee without children who is subject to church tax in tax class 1 with a monthly gross salary of around 3,500 euros would have to pay around 12 euros less tax per month. 12 euros may not sound super big amount, but this tax change applies retrospectively from the start of this year. Employees have to correct the excess tax which was withheld from the first half of the year back in the employees. This sums to somewhere around 84 euros more netto. If the employer does not change the wage tax deduction for the previous months, this allowance can also be claimed while doing the tax declaration. But only when you submit a tax declaration, you will get the backdated money back. If you don't do it, you miss it. So kindly remember to do your tax declaration. Second update, increase in verbums pauschale. Verbums are all the expenses that you incur in direct connection for your work purpose. You can deduct them on your tax return if your employer has not reimbursed them. Tax office knows that every job is associated with some expenses related to the purpose of job. Tax office provides every employer with an annual lump sum of 1,000 euros which are automatically deducted from the income from non-self-employed work and made tax-free. Now, this verbum pauschale is increased retrospectively from 1,000 to 1,200 euros for the year 2022. While doing the tax declaration next year, this amount will be tax-free for you, so you don't miss to utilize it by doing a tax declaration. Pendlerpauschale is increased. The commuter allowance are also getting increased for the long distance travelers. People who are traveling to work either via car, bus, train or by bicycle can enter the distance between their house and workplace in tax declaration and get benefited by this. In the past, it was a flat rate of 30 cents one-way direction can be declared. It means that if the distance between your house and workplace is 20 kilometers, so it can be multiplied 20 into 30 cents into number of working days what you worked. Now, starting from 21 kilometers, one can declare 38 cents instead of the planned 35 cents. Through this update, one can also get benefited in getting more netto for this either while submitting the tax declaration and with the help of the automatic increase in the Grundfreibetrag. If you still have more questions regarding the tax declaration, you can also book a one-to-one appointment with our English-speaking tax consultant who can help you in answering all the tax-related questions. Now coming to the point, tell me, how are you going to utilize the amount saved through this new law? Leave a comment. I'm curious to know how you are making it more valuable so that I can also learn something from you people. That's it for today. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and share this video to your friends. I will catch you in one another interesting video. Until then, bye bye from Vanakkam, Germany, Balaji.